Hello Rockstars, my name is Christopher from RAKwireless, and in today's video we will demonstrate how to implement the Fast Fourier Transform with WisBlock. FFT for short is commonly used in digital signal processing for interesting applications such as audio editing and analyzing sounds for machine learning. This is a simple but powerful example that lets us extract frequency features of sound in real time. To test it, we will use the RAK4631 core and the standard baseboard with the RAK18000 PDM microphone. Once assembled, we need to install the RAKwireless audio library and open the example code called PDM Serial Plotter FFT on the Arduino IDE. Select the WisBlock RAK4631 board and the serial port where it is connected. This also works with the ESP32 and RP2040 cores. We click on upload and wait for the core to be flashed. Then open the IDE serial plotter and that's it. We are able to see the graph highlighting the predominant frequency component of the audio signal we are playing. On the right, we can see the results of my smartphone doing the same with an app. And the frequency is almost the same, which is quite impressive for me. Thanks for watching. I invite you to reproduce this example by yourself, visiting the link below for a detailed guide. Ciao!